Activating your Xfinity Wi-Fi router begins with physical connections. Plug the router into power and connect the coaxial cable from the wall to the router's input port. For initial setup, use an Ethernet cable to link the router to your computer. Next, open the Xfinity app on your smartphone or tablet and log in with your account credentials. The app provides guided setup assistance. The app will prompt you to scan the QR code on your router or manually enter the serial number to link the device to your account. Configure your Wi-Fi network by setting the SSID, password, and security type. WPA3 is recommended for the best protection. Finally, use the app to run speed tests and optimize your Wi-Fi channel for optimal performance. By 2025, Xfinity emphasizes mobile app activation with streamlined hardware. If you encounter issues during activation, common problems include incorrect cable connections or ISP outages. Use the Xfinity app's troubleshooting tools or contact Xfinity support via chat for remote diagnosis. Keep your router's firmware updated to prevent vulnerabilities. As for future trends, expect increased automation with augmented reality apps for instant setup and the rise of Wi-Fi 7 for faster speeds. Xfinity is also investing in 10G internet trials and AI-assisted networking for predictive troubleshooting. By 2030, autonomous activation via AR apps where users point their phone at the router for instant setup. Make sure to avoid default passwords and enable two-factor authentication for better security.